Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove the daily time limit on Instagram. Sometimes Instagram sends you reminders to take a break if you've set a daily time limit for yourself. This feature is helpful to manage screen time, but if you don't want these notifications and prefer to use Instagram without restrictions, you can easily turn off the daily time limit directly from the app settings. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the main menu. Here you will see different options. Tap on your activity. Inside the Your Activity section, scroll down and tap on Time Spent. This is where Instagram tracks how much time you spend on the app daily. Now tap on the daily limit. Here you'll find options to remind you after using Instagram for a certain amount of time, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or more. If you don't want any reminders at all, simply select off. Once you set it to off, Instagram will no longer send you daily usage reminders, and you can use the app without interruptions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.